Your router is the unsung hero holding your smart home together. From mesh to gaming to Wi-Fi 6, here are the best we've tested for every budget. Say goodbye to interrupted internet and hello to fast speeds with the Orbi Wi-Fi system by Netgear. More than just a router. This system includes a router, a range extender, and unique software to bring all the hardware together. Incredibly, Orbi can provide super fast Wi-Fi to an area of 4,000 square feet without a single dead spot. This is achieved by the range extender. While the router is plugged in as normal, the range extender is placed somewhere central in your home to deliver the strong signal to every corner. Rather than the traditional router design that you try to hide behind a photo frame, the Orbi Wi-Fi system has a beautiful white exterior that will fit seamlessly into any type of decor. Google Wi-Fi is a new type of connected system that replaces your router for seamless coverage throughout your home. Do everything you love online, anywhere in your house. Google Wi-Fi was designed to handle multiple devices streaming, downloading, and sharing at the same time. Google Wi-Fi has you covered no matter what the shape or size of your home. Network Assist is an intelligent software built into Google Wi-Fi to provide you with the fastest possible speed. Behind the scenes, Network Assist automatically helps you to avoid Wi-Fi congestion and transitions you to the closest Wi-Fi point for the best signal. Network Assist will offer suggestions on how to optimize performance, like where to move a Google Wi-Fi point for faster speeds or providing data so you can adjust your ISP plan. To pair with, it is the Google Wi-Fi mobile app that gives you total control over your network. Easily share your Wi-Fi password, see what devices are online, and prioritize them for better performance. Get your very own network with Luma, the surrounded Wi-Fi router. The Luma units work together to create a personalized Wi-Fi network for your home. It does this by building a mesh network specially customized for your home size and layout. Luma gives you safe internet, your very own network, protection from viruses and hackers, and, best of all, the fastest internet available. Luma is always on and always fast, so you don't have to worry about connection speed. Using the app, you can determine who has access, check your internet speed, set parental controls, restrict access during family time, view the number of devices on the network, and even monitor what your family is up to. Luma is super smart and even tells you the best spot to put the units. The modern design is sleek and inconspicuous and is available in orange, silver, white, and gold. Eero is the world's first Wi-Fi system. A set of 3 Eeros covers the typical home. They work in unison to deliver hyper-fast, super stable Wi-Fi to every nook of every room. Stream video or email friends from anywhere in your home and from your backyard too. For something you use every day, Wi-Fi has a laundry list of problems. Crazy passwords, the dreaded manual reset, having to be in that special spot next to your router to stream House of Cards. We reimagine everything, starting with the fact that a single router just can't cover your whole home. You need multiple access points, and they all need to work perfectly together. Now, you can easily connect up to 10 euros to a single modem, creating a mesh network that blankets any size or shape home in fast, reliable Wi-Fi. If you typically put your router in a closet or a corner, change that with the Nest Wi-Fi router. Not only does this home internet router provide better connectivity, but it also looks awesome. Designed to live out in the open, this is the Wi-Fi router you won't want to hide. This Nest router plugs into your home modem and provides a single strong Wi-Fi connection throughout the entire house. In fact, it offers twice as fast speed and 25% better overall coverage. Say goodbye to dead zones in your house. Combining one router and one point, it sets up in minutes and covers your home. Finally, with its built-in Google Assistant smart speaker, this device actually does everything the Nest Mini does. Get better Wi-Fi throughout your home or office and protect your network with the key Wi-Fi Kiss Link, the Wi-Fi range extender. This easy-to-use router has a plug-and-play setup and is ready to be used in just 30 seconds. Simply bring your device close to KissLink and, using Kiss technology, it will automatically connect to your secure Wi-Fi network without requiring a password, Bluetooth, or NFS technology. This solution is ideal for guests who come to visit, so you don't have to remember lengthy and confusing passwords. It's also perfect for keeping your network safe. Any user must be in proximity to initiate the connection. That means no more stolen Wi-Fi and a faster connection. Use the app to see how many devices are connected and be notified when more join. You can even block or ban users from getting access. Keep your family internet safe with a Torch Gigabyte Wi-Fi router. This is an innovative Wi-Fi router you can use to block any bad online content by category and URL. You can pause the internet usage for your family members and set a fixed bedtime for everyone. Other than this, the router also enables you to keep a parenting check on what your kids are browsing online. You can also surf faster in this router. It comes with a speed of up to 1 GB per second. The 6 smart antennas cover up to 4,000 square feet, therefore there will not be any dead zone either. So, bad Wi-Fi, bad content, and battles over screen time are no longer going to bother your family anymore. Everyone stays connected with dynamic internet filtering, the ideal Wi-Fi router for the 21st century families.